Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by targeting the exact frame you want. Scrub the current time indicator until the image reads true to your intent. Next, make sure resolution and quality match your export needs. Full for final, half for drafts. Once done, choose Save Frame as to render a still or use take snapshot for temporary reference. You do this because snapshots freeze the render state, letting you compare color, motion blur, or compositing changes without re-rendering the entire timeline. Now you refine how the snapshot is produced. Set output module options so color depth and alpha are retained when needed. You should pick a format that matches your pipeline, TIFF or PNG for lossless, EXR for high dynamic range. Then name the file using a systematic convention and route it to a dedicated snapshots folder. Doing this prevents accidental overwrites and makes comparisons straightforward. And you can enable increment and save or scripts to automate repetitive captures when iterating rapidly. Finish by bringing your snapshot into the comp or an external viewer so you can compare changes frame to frame. Use blend modes like difference or lighten/darken to reveal subtle shifts. This helps you confirm corrections or spot artifacts. If the snapshot looks off, make sure color profiles match across apps, verify premultiplied versus straight alpha handling, and recheck render settings. If you still see issues, rerun with full resolution and inspect motion blur or effects order. Those often cause unexpected differences.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.